Hello guys, this is Surendra from Markham Industrial Training and Research Institute, Coimbatore. So next 10 days we are going to conduct a job-oriented training program on getting accounting knowledge in Tally, organized by Manoன்மணியம் Sundaranar University, Tirunelveli and Markham Industrial Training and Research Institute. The purpose of this video is to show you the demo about the guidelines of uh, how the site will be works for the next 10 days for you to attend this program. So this program are conducted through the website called occamgroups.com/msu-tvl. Okay, so inside that login, you can log in through this website. The username and password will be sent to your mail. So please check your mail before logging into this, or else the credentials are same on the registration email ID and password. Okay, so you can give your email ID, current email, your registered email ID and your registered password. So if you forget the registered ID and password, just go on forget password link. So click on this forget password link. It will ask for email ID and phone number. Just give your email ID and phone number, whatever you given the registration time. So give your email ID and your phone number was given at the registration time. If it is on our database, it will be validated and it will go to next page. If it is not there, it shows wrong details. Okay, so here you can view your username, then you can give your new password. So you can create a new password for next upcoming sessions. So here you need to give new password. Anything you can give, just click on update. It will shows the message called password updated. Just click on OK. It will redirect into our login page. So here you need to give enter your username, which means we need to give your email ID, then and your password. Your changed password or in email ID password you can give. Just click on login page. So click on login. So it will redirect into our home page. So in this home page you have several options are there. I will explain it one by one. So first we have some menus are there. So the menus are called home, profile, score and logout. So home is the purpose of viewing our home page. So this is our home page. The home page will indicates the title of the program and the description of the program, and we have one progress bar. This progress bar indicates that your day-to-day process will be indicating. For example, you are completed 5 sessions of this program, so it will indicate 50% completed. If you are 77%, it shows 70% in progress bar. So first of all, I will explain what are the sessions are there in this program. So this is 10 days session program. So it was split into 5 topics, main topics. Inside the 5 topics, there are several subtopics also. So here 5 topics, 10 videos are there. So first, the 5 topics will be displayed as main menu, and if you click the main menu, it will shows as uh, submenus. So the submenus, for example, the first topic had two submenus, and the second topic has 3 submenus, and the third topic has one, fourth topic has one, and the fifth topic has 3 submenus. So total 10 submenus are there, and the 5 main topics are there. So if you completed 2 day sessions, for example, first day session you have completed. If you need to go to second day session, you can directly click on here second day session, or else you will need to go fifth day session. You can click here and you can go for fifth day session. So you can click this. It will redirect to another page. That page shows the video and assessment and the queries and so on. Everything is there in next page. I will explain it later. So next here you can view the overview of our program. So what's included in this program means 10 hours course, 10 videos, 10 tests prepared by experts. So 10 assignments are there in there inside the next page. So next it's a 15 days validity. So the program will contain 10 days, but we will give a grace time for 5 days. In the 5 days, you can get your feedback. You need to fill your feedback and get your certificate in next day itself. From 11th day itself, you can get your certificate also. Okay, so for the grace time, we will give 11th to 15th. So you can watch the video again and again after that also. Okay, so but there is some credentials are there for watching video and taking assessment. I will explain it later. Okay, next menu is a profile menu. In the profile menu, you can view your details on the registration, like your name, phone number, email ID, and password, so on. So you can change your password here also. Just change your password and you can update it. The password contains some credentials are there. Just read it and give it same. Okay, then second another menu is called score menu. The score menu shows your day to day scores, like topic 1, topic 2, topic 3 scores are there. So you can view your scores directly, and the total scores are there. So it will be on the first day it shows just blank page. Once you have started the video and you have taken assessment, it will shows the first row. So first GST implementation score 7 and the total score is 7. If you are at the third day, it will show one first topic, second topic, third topic, and their marks and their total. Okay, right? This is the score menu. You can view the scores on once the session has been, once the assessment has been completed. Then back to home page. So inside the home page, we need to go for video page. You can. There are two ways to go video page. One is the submenu. We can by clicking on the submenu. If you click the submenu, it will redirect to the page. Okay, it will show the page like this, or else if you click the view course menu, it will redirect to first page, the video page. The first video will be shown. Okay, but here in the syllabus, through the syllabus clicking, it will redirect to the particular topic, right? So it's redirected to a particular topic called the budget TM, like this, right? So this is the demo. So this is the page for video page. So I will explain the video page. So first here we have the main topic about the program, and here you can choose the languages. So there is two preference languages are here, Tamil and English. So whatever the language you are willing, so you can choose the language and click on submit button. If you need the English language or Tamil language, just choose the languages, then click on submit button. So it will show the English budget em means English. So if you click the video, it will play.
Welcome to all.
Right, so it will place. Then but our first page will be shows like this. I will show that option. At the very first time you are entering, the video will be shows like this: GST implementation watch video. You must need to click the watch video. So here everything is recordical. So at what time you are logging, at what time you are click the watch video button, at what time you are clicking the video button, as the head of the button, the take assessment button, everything is recordical. Time calculations are there. So don't skip the video. You must need to watch entire video. So through watching this video, you will get the knowledge about Tally in different aspects. So watch the video entirely. Just if you need to click on watch video, so it will start the video. Then click on play button.
Welcome to all.
It plays. It will play. So there is some options, so it will playing. So if you are clicking take assessment, the assessment button, there are three menus are there: about course, syllabus, and assessment also. Syllabus is same, remains like the same. And assessment, if you click the assessment, it will show take assessment. Before watching entire video, we can't take assessment, we can't take assignment. So it will show the error called you must need to watch video fully, then only it will be enabled, the button will be enabled, or else it will be redirect to the same page. So watch the video fully for getting knowledge clearly, right? So if you are playing, the video will be like this. So if you are, once they completed, it will be redirect to. So already I have seen 40 minutes of this video. So assignment page. So I will click on assignment page. So it will redirect to, if you watch the video fully, it will redirect to page like this. So this is the assessment page. It will shows the topic name, and the number of questions are there, and multi choice. The questions are multi choice only. The plus 1 point for each question, you will get 1 mark for the question. There are 10 questions are there daily basis. So you are going to attend 100 questions, or overall 100 questions you are going to attend. So click on start quiz. So once you click it, it will show the page, question page, so you can answer the particular questions. So I am not a accounting person, I am a technical IT person, so I don't know questions are right or not. I will choose that by randomly. So next going on. So just I choose some questions. So I will click submit. It will show. If you want to skip any questions, so you must need to answer all the questions. So if you click on submit, so it will redirect and calculate the score. It will show the score. Score 7 I have got it. So just I will click on home page. It will redirect to our page. So here it will increase us our point. So 10, 20. So overall I completed 2 sessions fully. So I will go to score menu. So it will shows there are 2 I have completed. 7, 7. 2 assessment I have completed. That's why it shows 20%. If I completed 3, it shows 30% I will complete it. Okay. So you can watch video again and again also, uh, but the main credential is if you can watch first day video only on first day, and the second day video you can second day you can watch first day and video and the second day videos. Okay. uh, the future videos will not be shown before day. Okay. And the past videos can view any times also. All the time you can view the videos. So 10 after the 10 days also you can view 10 videos simultaneously till 15th. So 15th session link will be closed. From 11th to 15th we have feedback session and the certificate session. Once the feedback filled, you will get the certification. The demo of that feedback session will be given at 10th of this month, July month, 10th of this month. So hope you are clear all the queries. So I will just repeat the same. If you, after you have login, so this is the home page. In the home page, you have progress bar, you have syllabuses, and your overview. If you need to click any view course or syllabus menu, it will redirect into the video page. In the video page, you can choose the language preference. So English or Tamil, you can choose anything. So then here also right side we have syllabus in desktop. If you are in mobile, the mobile view will be like this. Yes, I will show you the mobile view. This is the mobile view. So here it will redirect into 3 dots menu. So here you can view the menus, and here you can watch the video and you can go next as per process. So it will shows syllabus assignment. So you can take assignment. If you click, you must need to watch video fully. So we need to watch the video for entire video. So this is the process. Hope you all understand. So do it best, all the best. We'll meet you after the 10th day session. So if you have any queries, we have created a WhatsApp group for you. So you can chat with us in separate chat or else private chat. You can chat with admins. The admins, we will give the response as soon as possible. So there are 3,000 participants over there. So please ask important queries alone. So don't ask silly questions, silly normal quizzes. So everything is in video. Please watch the video clearly before asking the question. Right? Thank you.